Hello and welcome to KADO, the leading enterprise all-in-one networking and client management solution. In this company administrator tutorial, we will teach you how to properly set up your company and organizational structure, design your cards and features, manage employees and their profiles, set up integrations, as well as give you a brief overview of what your employees will be able to do. Now let's get started. Whenever you log into KADO for the first time, we recommend you start by setting up your company teams and offices. For such purpose, head to Manage Company. Here you will be able to fill in your basic company information, such as your legal name, commercial name, website, and description. This information will appear under the About section in the card. Next, you can head on to the Teams tab. Teams allow employees to share contacts and notes automatically, unless marked private. As we will see later under the card design, you may also assign specific card elements to specific teams. You may have no teams at all or create as many as you want. Under the Offices section, you can add your different addresses to which you can assign employees upon creation. You can give your offices a name just for internal purposes of identification. Now that your company and structure is in place, let's head to the card design section. You can upload a background picture of 600 x 200 pixels with your logo or any other background that you desire. You can also change the colors of your background, icons, title, and main text. This design will be applied to everyone within the firm. Under card features, you will be able to add buttons and videos at a corporate level. You may want to add a button to link to your listings if you're a real estate firm, some big merger announcement if you're a bank, a link to your creds, or some leadership thought. You may also add YouTube videos like an ad, a demo, a word from the CEO. All of these calls to action can be assigned either to the entire corporation or just to individual teams. You will also be able to add socials at the corporate level. Just select the social, give it a display name and the link, and choose on what teams you want to have them displayed. Adding a user is extremely easy. You may do this either manually or in bulk. To add them manually, just click on Add User, fill in their information, assign them to a team and office, if any, and manage their permissions. Company administrators will have access to everything we have seen so far, while account administrators will also have access to integrations and billing management. You may also add users in bulk. To do so, click on Upload in bulk and download our template. Please note that our template will have the offices and teams that you have created already pre-uploaded, so if in the future you create new ones, you will be required to download the template again. After downloading it, fill in the data and upload it again to create your users. Once you create a user, they will receive a welcome email prompting them to download the app and to log in either to the app or to the web. You may edit a user at any point, or delete it if they ever leave the company. A user may have more than one card. Say for example, there is an employee that holds both sales and marketing roles. You may create a specific card for each location and adapt their position, company name, email, and even their buttons and videos. Once you create an additional card, you will be able to see the different cards for a user under KADO cards. Independently of how many cards a user has, they can have a default or main team or office for the purpose of company administration and contact sharing. If you are an account administrator, you will have access to the account management panel at the top left. From here, you will be able to manage billing, integrations, and a multi-company structure if that's applicable to you. If you are a group of companies that require independent management and branding, you may create additional companies. Each company can have their own unit administrator or administrators. If you're an account administrator, you will also be able to switch from one company to another to check on the users, design, and company information. You may also manage from this panel the different CRM integrations. Just make sure you have selected the appropriate company in the case of a multi-company structure and select the integration you want to grant access to. CRM integrations are bidirectional for notes and contacts, meaning all non-private contacts and notes created in KADO will be sent to the CRM and vice versa. Before connecting, you may even select which teams can have access to the integration. Once your user gets access to their account, they will be able to check their profile and, if allowed by your contract, edit it and add their own personal links and socials. For example, their own personal calendar booking links or their LinkedIn. They will also be able to generate personalized email signatures and virtual backgrounds for their daily use. Your users will be able to check on their analytics and see how many views they have and how many people actually click on their different cart items. Users will be able to manage their contacts and sync them not only with the CRM, but also with their Outlook and Gmail accounts. When checking on a contact, they will be able to add notes and record interactions. Remember, notes are shared with the people from their same team unless marked private. If under a business account, they will be even able to download their contact LinkedIn profile and their latest and upcoming emails and meetings. As you can see, KADO comes to be not only a networking tool for your employees, but our aim is to become your all-in-one tool for relationship building. We thank you for taking the time, and we hope you will be able to enjoy KADO.